Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you for always being there. To my existing subscribers, I say thank you. To the visiting ones, I want to tell you that you are highly welcome. Just feel at home. Feel free to learn what you can learn from this channel. On today's tutorial, I'll be taking us through how to make that simple shot that I just saw on my cover page. On my material, I'm going to go ahead and mark my borderline. After taking my borderline, I'll go ahead and input my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 38 and 38 divided by 4 is 9.5 inches. But because I want my short to be very free and I'll be using elastic, I'm going to mark 12 inches on the waistline so that when I put the elastic, it can accommodate it. Then I will now take my hip line, as in hip line. My hip line is 10, but because I'll be using a band of 2 inches, 2 inches, I'll go ahead and mark it. And once I mark that I will connect the 2 points that I've made. Then I will use my ruler to connect the waist to the hips. And once I have done that, I will go ahead and then on the waistline, I'm going to go out by 3.5 inches, not 2.5 inches. 3.5 inches in the sense that I'm cutting the back and the front together. I'm cutting the back and the front together. So I will go out by 3.5 inches, use my ruler to connect it to the waist, and then use my French cuff and give it that perfect crouch look that it deserves. And once I'm done doing this, I'm going to take the length of my short. I want my short to be to 18 inches. So considering my band of 2 inches, I'm going to mark 16 and then add 2 inches hemming allowance to it, making it 18. So I'm going to mark 18. Then I'll mark 18 and then connect all the dots with my ruler. And then what will I do next? I will use my ruler and connect the crouch length down to the full length. And once I am done doing that, I'm going to also connect the hips to the full length of the short, and then I'll go ahead and cut the short out. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to tell you that I put my material on the fold of 4 because I'm marking the back and the front together. So I put it on the fold of 4. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut out the measurement I have already done on the material. Okay, here you go. I've already cut it out. So what will I be doing next? I'll go ahead and take out the back part of the trousers, the short, and then go ahead and recut my front part. So I will be coming in by 1 inch on the crouch area, and then I will just take that 1 inch down. Then I will be coming down on the waist area, that crouch area of the waist area by ½ inch. Then I'll connect it, as you can see me do, to the side of the material. Then I will then cut it out. Then after I'm done cutting it out, I'll then take the two to my machine. So I'll be joining the two fronts together and the two back together on the crouch by ½ inch. Just watch me. Look at what I'm showing you on the video. That is the exact place I'll be joining on my machine by ½ inch. That's the back one. And then this is the front by ½ inch as I do so. Here you go. I'm already done with joining it, and you can see it. I've already joined the two together. So what is going to be the next step I'm going to do? I'm going to lay the two sides, the right side facing right side, and then I will join it on the wrong side by the side. Look at how I am showing you where I'm going to join, and I'm going to be joining it by ½ inch, the two sides together by ½ inch. Then I can see me showing you where I'm going to be joining again by ½ inch. That's the under, as in the crouch area, by ½ inch too. Then I am done joining that. Look at how it is looking. I've joined the two sides. I've gone ahead to join everything I need to join. Then what will I be doing next? I will take my tape rule and measure the exact measurement of the waist. After I have finished joining it, I will take my tape around the waist to get the accurate measurement of the waist. And after doing that, what I have is 45. So 45 divided by 2 is 12 and a half. So I will go ahead and put and get my band. I've already cut it out. I just want to show you. I'll get my band and put it on the fold of 2 and measure 12.5. I'm not going to be measuring 12.5 exactly because I'll have to be joining it by half an inch. So I'm going to mark 13 on that band that you'll see me holding. The length is going to be 12.5, 13 inches on a fold, and then 5.5 wide. Then after I have done that, cutting it out, I'm going to take it to my machine, and then I will join the two open sides together. So this is where I'll be joining by half an inch on the band. So I'll take it to my machine right now, and then I will join it. Okay, I'm done joining it. So what will I do next? I have my elastic marked out. Since my waist is 38 and the waist we have already measured is 45, the elastic I'm going to be using, I'm going to measure 30. I don't want it to be too tight. I don't want it to be too loose. So I'm going to measure 30 on the elastic, and then I will go ahead and take it to my machine and then join the two open sides together to form a circle. Once I'm done joining that, I will now put that in between the band I had already joined together. I'll put it inside the band, and as you can see me illustrating on this video, then I will sew it round. Yeah, I'm done sewing it round. You can see how beautiful it's looking, and look at how elastic it is. Then I will go ahead and use my safety pin, my pin. I'll use it and attach it to the main shot that I have already done. I will use my safety pin to safeguard it round, to hold it round. Then after doing that, I will then take it to my machine and use my machine to sew it down and hold the elastic that I have already joined to the band to the short to give it a perfect finishing. So just watch me as I do so. Bam! This is what I am doing right now. I am still using my safety pin to safeguard it. I'm done joining the short. I'm done joining the elastic to the short, and look at how beautiful it is looking. Everything is perfectly done. I've hemmed the down. I have done everything. Look at how beautiful it is looking. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And you are always welcome to my channel, and put on your notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for sitting by and watching with me. See you in my next video. I love you all. I love you so much. Stay connected. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.